Making money online is not as difficult as you think. There are many creative ways to make money online. The internet is full of opportunities for people who want to make some extra cash on the side. Some people are making 6 figures a year while working from home in their pajamas. Others are earning enough money to pay off their student loans or buy a house. There are many creative ways to make $100 a day online. You just need an idea and the drive to see it through. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing way to make $100 a day and how you can generate passive income by the end of the week. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make $1,000 day. Now, let's jump to our today video. If you are looking for ways to make money online, there are many creative ways that you can use to make $100 a day. From the comfort of your own home, it is possible to generate up to $100 a day by using these simple methods. One of these creative ways is to get paid for your opinion. There are many companies that will pay people for their opinion on things like products or services. You just need to sign up with one of these companies and then they will send you surveys that have been designed specifically for your demographic, so that they know what kind of things interest you. Surveys are an easy and convenient way to make some money online. All you need is a computer and internet connection, and then you can take surveys whenever it's convenient for you. You can write reviews and testimonials, take surveys, test products, and more. The best part is that there are tons of companies that will pay you for your opinion and your time. Here, I will show you the best 2 companies to make money by sharing your opinion. 1. User Interviews. User Interviews is a company that provides qualified research participants for companies who need it. Employers are now able to hire people from outside of their countries. The payment starts at $75 for a 30-minute study and goes all the way up to $450 for 1 hour of work. User Interviews offer study after study covering many different topics, such as technology, food, consumer goods, family, and software. There are also topics covering hobbies, pets, and sports, as well as transportation, beauty, and social media. There's even a section for music. They work with some really notable clients, including Pinterest, Spotify, and others. To participate in a research study, you must first assess whether the project is a good fit for you. If it is, then you should respond to the call for applications by agreeing to be included. You will be eligible to participate in a study at a time that fits your schedule. The payment is made either through PayPal, cash, or Amazon gift card. 2. Respondent.io. Respondent.io is a company that organizes focus groups and takes care of recruiting respondents for them. Their services are rated as 5 out of 5 stars on multiple platforms and seem to be quite reliable. Respondent.io is always looking for people in industry, parents, and students. Projects are available for U.S. residents and other international members, so you don't have to be in the U.S. to be part of it. Most pay is $50 up to $250 per review. All you need to do to join is create a PayPal account and connect your profile on either Facebook or LinkedIn. Now, imagine what it would be like to wake up and see $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. Now you can learn everything from the initial steps of starting making money online, to the best techniques for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Ready to take the next step with us? Get more information today. Click the below link and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.